Do you ever feel lost when it comes to your money? Like you're just wandering through a forest hoping to stumble upon financial security? You're not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. They're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, and feeling like they'll never get ahead. It's time to stop feeling lost and start taking control. It's time to create a financial plan that actually works. A plan that will guide you towards your goals, help you sleep soundly at night, and give you the financial freedom you deserve. In this video, we're going to show you how to do just that. Having a solid financial plan is like having a roadmap to your dreams. It provides direction, clarity, and peace of mind. It empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, so you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you desire. We'll explore the most common challenges people face when it comes to their finances. From budgeting and saving to investing and planning for the future. We'll give you the tools and strategies you need to overcome these obstacles and come out on top. This isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet, it's about taking charge of your life. It's about gaining financial confidence, reducing stress, and creating a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. So, are you ready to ditch the financial stress and start building a solid foundation for your future? Let's dive in and create a financial plan that actually works. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. Chaos, right? That's what it's like managing your money without a financial plan. It's like wandering aimlessly, hoping for the best. A financial plan is your blueprint to success. It gives you a clear direction, helps you stay organized, and keeps you focused on your goals. Whether it's buying a home, retiring early, or just feeling financially secure, a plan is your guide. Think of it as a roadmap to your dream destination. Financial freedom. It helps you navigate challenges, avoid detours, and stay on track, even when life throws you curveballs. Without a plan, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions, overspend, and accumulate debt. A financial plan acts as your financial GPS, ensuring you reach your desired destination. A well-crafted financial plan considers all aspects of your financial life. It starts with understanding your current financial situation, your income, expenses, assets, and debts. It then outlines your financial goals, both short-term and long-term, and provides a step-by-step roadmap to achieve them. This includes strategies for budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. A financial plan isn't about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices that align with your values and priorities. It's about having a clear understanding of where your money is going and making sure it's working hard for you. By taking control of your finances, you gain peace of mind, reduce financial stress, and create a more secure future. A financial plan empowers you to make informed decisions, achieve your dreams, and live a more fulfilling life. Let's face it, budgeting can feel like wrestling a beast. But guess what? You don't need to be a financial expert to win. It's all about understanding where your money is going and making a plan. The first step is tracking your expenses. Use a notebook, an app, or whatever works best for you. Knowing where your money goes is key to gaining control. You might be surprised by some spending habits. Next, categorize your spending. Needs versus wants. Needs are essentials like housing and food. Wants are things you enjoy but can live without, like that daily latte. Now, set realistic spending limits for each category. This is where you make conscious choices about your money. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Don't be afraid to adjust your budget as needed. Life throws curveballs, so be flexible and adapt your plan accordingly. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Saving might seem impossible when you're living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the secret. It's not about how much you save, it's about building the habit. Start small. Even setting aside $5 or $10 a week adds up over time. Think of it as paying your future self first. Make saving automatic. Set up a direct deposit from your checking account to your savings account. You won't even miss the money. Look for areas to cut back on spending and redirect those funds towards your savings. Can you pack your lunch a few times a week instead of eating out? Every little bit counts. Remember, saving isn't about deprivation. It's about giving yourself financial freedom and peace of mind. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Don't let fear hold you back from growing your money. Start by learning the basics. There are tons of resources available online at your local library or even through financial advisors. Consider low-cost index funds. They offer diversification and are a great option for beginners. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Contribute consistently. Just like with saving, the key to successful investing is consistency. Even small, regular investments can lead to big returns over time. Don't panic when the market fluctuates. Investing is a long-term game. Ride out the dips and stay focused on your goals. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. All right, let's talk goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? A new home? Early retirement? Financial security for your family? Whatever it is, make sure your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Vague goals lead to vague results. Save more money is too broad. Instead, try save $5,000 for a down payment on a car in 2 years. See the difference? Clear goals provide direction. Write down your goals and break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. Celebrate your wins along the way. Remember, your goals are personal to you. Don't compare your journey to someone else's. Focus on what matters most to you and your family. Now that you have your SMART goals, it's time to create a budget, your roadmap to financial success. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Start by listing all your sources of income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, or other sources of cash flow. Next, track your expenses. Use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or the good old-fashioned pen and paper method. Categorize your spending to see where your money is going. Now it's time to differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are things you enjoy but can live without, like entertainment or dining out. Allocate your income to cover your needs first, then prioritize your wants based on your goals. Remember, a budget is about making conscious choices with your money, not about deprivation. Congratulations! You've set SMART goals and crafted a budget. Now the key is to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Think of it as checking your map regularly to stay on course. Review your budget regularly, monthly, or even weekly, to see if you're sticking to your plan. Are you staying within your spending limits? Are you saving as much as you planned? Track your progress towards your goals. Are you on track to reach your savings target? Do you need to adjust your timeline or your savings rate? Celebrate your successes along the way. Acknowledge your accomplishments and reward yourself for your hard work. This will keep you motivated and engaged in the process. Remember, financial planning is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps in the road, but by tracking your progress and making adjustments, you'll stay on track to reach your financial destination.